activity. Okay. Which activity is going on? Pink toy activity. Which activity, Haj? Which activity? Pink toy activity. Pink toy activity. Okay. First what you have to do? This is pink toy. Okay. First you have. Yes. You need to put first that block here. Put over here. Yes. After this, no, I will give you. No. I will give you. After this, you have to take this one. Put Yusuf over here. Very good. Okay, no. Very good. Put blocks over here. After this. Very good. Yes. Which activity is going on? Very good. Pink toy. Declare for yourself, all of you. No. No. Give me. Give me one. Yes, you need to put over here. And one you need to put over here. And after this, you need to put over here. Okay? Very good. Which activity is going on? Pink toy activity. Which activity? No. Very good. And what? Which activities? Yes, count it. How many blocks are there? There are? Very good. Yes, count it again. How many blocks are there? 1, 2,